Wherefore dost thou allow the shadows of doubt to cloud thine heart, when the sun of hope doth yet illuminate the heavens? To love or not to love, a quandary that hath plagued hearts since time's inception, yet still holds the mirror to our souls. Though the tempest rages fierce, the dauntless spirit finds its footing upon the tumultuous sea of fate. Beware the quietude of midnight, for in its hush do secrets emerge like spectres from yon shadows. As roses bear both thorns and fragrant petals, so does life bear moments of woe amidst the tapestry of joy. Through treacherous trials and the crucible of time, the human spirit, unshaken, doth ascend like a phoenix's flight. Love, a gentle whisper in tempestuous roar, doth bind hearts in a dance eternal, defying reason's reins. In the theatre of life, we are all but players, donning masks and reciting our parts upon destiny's grand stage. Like pages in a book, we pen our legacies upon the parchment of existence, each chapter a tapestry woven with the threads of choice.